Hey Tyler, do you know what's better than finding the perfect home?
I'd say it's understanding how to find it without getting lost in all that real estate mumbo jumbo.
Exactly, and that's why we're here at the Shadle Park Library inviting you to our first homeowners workshop.
Whether you're a first-time buyer who feels like a fish out of water,
Or a seasoned homeowner ready for a new adventure,
or even if you're just nosy about the market,
we've got you covered.
Hey everyone, I'm Michael Eimer with Home Iwa, brokered by eXp Realty, and thank you for checking out my channel. First, please be sure to like and subscribe because this will motivate me to keep creating new and valuable content for all of you. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, an experienced investor, or someone who's just passionate about real estate, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing insights, tips, and the latest market trends to help you make informed decisions. So hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Remember, your journey home starts with me.
We're breaking down the jargon you hear in the media and outlining the simple process of purchasing a home.
it's only an hour of your time, folks. Monday, February 5th from 6 to 7. Right, Michael?
That's right, Tyler, and guess what? You can bring the kids along. They're gonna love the library's play space.
And for the grown-ups, our friend Hailey Modin from Fairway Mortgage will share her secret weapons to get you home approved.
And let's not forget the best part,
There'll
be pizza!
So stop in on your way home from work. It's not just a workshop. It's a fun hour with friends, family, and pizza.
See you at the Shadle Park Public Library. Let's make your home owning dreams come true.
Come true.